Hey everyone, if you want to master FlowGPT in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you advanced techniques to get the most out of FlowGPT like a pro. First, mastering FlowGPT means you can efficiently find, create, optimize, and reuse prompts to get the best possible AI results. Start by using advanced search techniques. Use specific keywords instead of general ones. Always choose top-rated or trending prompts because they are usually tested by the community. Don't use prompts as they are. Customize them with your niche, tone, audience, and goal. Advanced users combine multiple prompts to create powerful workflows like content plus SEO plus marketing. Always test prompts and refine them until you get consistent, high-quality output. Save your best prompts and organize them into categories for fast access. To truly master FlowGPT, create and publish your own prompts to build authority in the community. For pro-level results, always use structured prompts with roles, instructions, and examples. A common mistake is relying only on other people's prompts without learning how to improve or build your own. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to master FlowGPT in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.